you are using your Instagram for your business, it's very essential to know about how many customers are engaged with your Instagram profile. So for that, Instagram offering you free tool Instagram Insights. So what exactly is Instagram Insight tool and what are the prerequisites for this tool and how you gonna access this tool and how you gonna interpret the results in this Insight tool. So these are the questions you might raise regarding this Instagram Insight tool. So in this video we're gonna talk about A to Z regarding Instagram Insight tool. I'm Mr. from IT. Let's get started. If you are watching my channel for the first time, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well. When it comes to the Instagram Insight tool, it is an analytic tool which helps you to learn more about your followers and the people who might interact with your profile. To access to this tool, you need to have either creator or business profile. If you are in your personal account, you have to switch to either business or creator profile. If you are confused with these Instagram account types, I suggest you to watch my last video regarding the Instagram account type and come back with this video. Once after you switch to your creator or business profile, you can access to Instagram Insights. Go to your profile page and tap on Insights. In there you can see three tabs: Contents, Activity and Audience. Let's start with the content. In Overview section, you can have the insight regarding your total number of posts and stories you published in this week which compare with the last week. In the post section, you can see the post you have published inside this week. If you want to learn more about your post, simply click in See All. In selection criteria, you can have with selecting your post type, selecting your time period and selecting your interaction. From that you can have various different post based insights in this. Same as in stories, you can see the story that you have published inside this week. If you want to see more, go to See All and there you can select interaction and the time period, and then you can have different kind of set of insights regarding your stories. And in promotion, if you have current running promotion, you can see it here. So I don't have any current running promotion, so empty here. If I want to see my past promotion, I can simply click on See All and go to the past promotion, and each promotion I have option to view inside. Then I can see the insights. In there you can see some described version promotion insights. We will talk about this promotion insight in next videos. So let's go to the activity tab. In activity section is basically giving the idea how many people see your profile and what are their reactions. In discovery section, you can see how many reach and impressions have on this week compared with last week. So what exactly different between reach and impression is very easy to understand. Reach is how many unique accounts that have seen any of your posts or stories inside last 7 days, and the impressions are total number of times that have seen any of your posts or stories. So if one unique account have seen 5 times of your post, that means you have 5 impressions and 1 reach. In interactions, basically giving the idea how many actions are taken on your account. Past week I have 526 interactions, and you can see it these days. And also I can see how many profile visits having in this week compare with last week, same as website Trickz. Audience section basically giving the idea about your audience. So overall I have grown 109 followers inside this week compare with last week, and you can see number of accounts that have followed and unfollowed in this week, and you can see it each day as well. And top location section, you can grab the idea the top location of your followers, and you can divide with the cities or countries options. And you can also grab the idea about the age distribution of your followers, and you can divide it with gender as well. And also, what are the activation type of each day of week and each hour of the each day of your followers. You can select one of day and you can see how many followers are active in each hour, and you can select the days and you can see how many active followers in each day as well. So these are the basic of the Instagram Insight. If I want to add some more, you can go to your grid view and click on each view inside and having the full insight of your content. There is much to learn about this Instagram Insight tool, so this is only the introduction of that. So don't worry guys, we will talk about more. And if you like this video, share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, just discuss in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and stay tuned. So that's for today. See ya in the next video.